Hey Kathy, yep, I know exactly what the problem is here. Okay, so if we take a look here, the logo actually stays fixed in the page. That's because it's part of the header up here. Now, if you were using the graphic logo is part of the header up here because the logo is really sort of more designed to go within this bar up here somewhere. So if it's going to go down below, it's going to sort of, well, get sort of, lost in the works here, right? And you want it to sort of go away, so when somebody scrolls down the page it should basically go away. So what we need to do is put it more in with this section right here as opposed to this section up here. So let me see if I can figure out how to make that happen for you. Alright, sometimes things are easier than they look. So here's what we do. Let's take the contact page for example. Let me just undo what I did here and then I'll show you what else to do. Starting with the graphic logo, grab this right here. Graphic logo and the 3 lines after it. Cut it out. Go on down to the showcase. And right above the H1 tag, paste it in. So, there we go, clearing free. There we go. That's step number 1, and we're good to go. Okay, so what we end up with is this right here. You see that? But it's now attached to this section of the page instead of this section of the page here. However, as you noticed, it's pushed down. Now all we have to do is tweak the site styles.css, and then we're looking for the website name. No, we're not. We're looking for the shared.css and the graphic logo. I've been doing a lot of tutorials today, and I can't remember what is what. So we're going to scroll on down and find the graphic logo. I could do a Control F, that'd be faster, but you know, social icons. Lost it completely. Oh, I'm blind. Right at the very top. Of course it is. See the top position here of 110? Set that to 0 to start with, and you probably need a negative. So we'll do a refresh, and there it is there. Flips in. Yeah, I think we need a negative to align it up. So now we can just go minus 20px, and then refresh, and yeah, you can figure, you can fiddle with it from there. It's probably, but look at that, now it goes away just like we would hope. Okay, I've also got your site open on the iPad here, so let me take a look at the side menu question. Okay, we can add 30 odd pixels of padding, or remove 30 odd pixels of padding here by going to the Bootstrap. Let's go to line 1447. Yeah, if I can find it. 1447, where are you? Right here. We want to target the column, small 3. Let's change this to 0 and 0. Okay, so 1447, column small 3, 0 and 0. I'm going to save that, and you'll see it in the browser here when I refresh. See how that widened out a little bit there? Right, but now when we get down to the, probably right about here, I'm just going to publish that back up to the server for a second. Okay, you know what? That actually fixes it. That actually fixes it. I looked at it on the iPad, and just that one line, getting rid of that bit of padding, that fixes it. Like so. And of course, this will go away once you move it to the fixed thing there. But let me just, I'm just going to upload the whole, this is what the contact, the directors page. Let me just update the directors page, put it online. So, directors, scroll down, grab the graphic logo, cut, go over here, H1 style, paste, save, uploading via FTP, and just, as of course you can see me checking on my iPad. Yep. And problem solved. Okay. Yeah, so give that a shot. Those two things there that I was just talking about, and that should automatically fix those two issues.